serving on vacation realness. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be trying out O'Hara nails from Vanity Table. These are semi-cured gel nails. I was looking for nail techniques that I could do without messing up my nails whenever I interacted with water, and luckily I saw an ad for this on Instagram and I was like, these designs are cute, why not give it a try? So that is what I will be doing today, showing how you put it on and the finishing product and if I think you should get some or not. So also remember to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you're notified whenever I post. All right, let's get started. Okay, so these are the nails that I bought. So this is everything that comes in the O'Hara nail kit. This little bag had the file and the little wooden stick, 2 prep pads, and then the nails. These are the instructions, but like I said, they're in Chinese, so I can't read them or use them. They all came in this black box here, and then if you use the code, you could get a free gel lamp. So yeah, sorry, I forgot to record what I was saying. I took one of the O'Hara prep pads and I'm taking it off of my fingernails to get rid of any oil or anything that could potentially mess up the nail design. Some blue hair wax got on my hand, so that's what I'm doing, getting the blue off. I'm not a Smurf in disguise. Or am I? No, I'm not. So now comes the time where I pick the size and design that I want on each finger and peel it off, then apply it, and I will go to the next steps once I get there. So let's pick. Okay, so I don't know if I want cloudy on my thumb or solid. I think I'm gonna do cloudy. And now oopsie. I don't know which camera to use to show me with it on. So she then said to do this just to make sure it's actually on there. Hold on, I'm about to okay, I picked my size. This is the all right, so she said now to trim off the accent. This is what it looks like now. Then she took the wooden stick and she pressed it along the edges. I know it's super awkward just watching me do this. I'll probably fast forward it. Okay, so now I'm going to pick one for the index finger and then just do the whole thing for the rest of them. So I'll probably fast forward this. 3 down. What is this, 6, 7 to go. I probably just disappointed my teachers from elementary school. I'm so sorry. I can't count. Oh, okay. Did y'all see the Oscars? I mean, I didn't, but I saw like the outfits on BuzzFeed. Oh my gosh. Did y'all see my girlfriend? Zendaya, in case some of you are new. Yeah, she like looked so beautiful. I mean, a lot of people look beautiful, but like, you know, since that's my girl, she don't even know I exist. But still, since that's my girl, you know, it's just the color, that yellow like popped on her skin. She had body goals. I mean, she was like, her stomach was like as flat as the dress, and I'm like, let me get on there. It's gonna look like a balloon where my stomach is. And they're gonna be like, ma'am, how many months are you? And it's like, excuse me, I'm not pregnant. Yeah, maybe a food baby. But yeah, she looked great, starving looks. And even when she, like with the dress paying homage to Cher's dress was bomb too. You know, I could have worn that when I was in middle school and, you know, looked like the both of them with the flat stomach. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna get it together. Well, I hope y'all can't hear my breathing. Cause it sounds like I'm struggling over here, but I'm really not. My family talks about my hands and how small they are because I'm like basically the smallest in the family outside of my baby cousin. I'm the shortest outside of my baby cousin. Oh my god. Wait, I really am the shortest out of my family, like here. Like I'm talking about my cousins too. What makes it worse is I'm not even the youngest, so it's very easy to do, especially like once you get the hang of it. It's like a no-brainer. Our first fingers are done. Ooh, let's do it. My hands are not Bihandgual. I made that up. Anybody use that term, I made it up. It came from here. But I'm not Bihandgual, you know. I'm only mostly good with my right hand. Listen, you want to know the difference between my nail tutorial and all those other ones? Y'all get the realistic part of it. Y'all don't see the beauty part of it. Y'all don't see the, oh, she did it so satisfyingly. Like, ew. I'm showing y'all what it's like for me, a non-perfect person, what it's gonna really be like when you put it on. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I accidentally cut too much, or oh my gosh, that scared me. Y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, I cut too much off. No. So we did it sideways, but it actually worked and actually covered all of the nail. Y'all, how many times I said actually though? A lot. So now it's time to do put my gel nails under the UV light lamp. But I got me some UV light protection gloves because I don't want to mess up my skin and possibly get cancer. So we're gonna cover that up because we are about what? Protection. Bam. I forgot how long I'm supposed to leave my fingers under this. Here's the little gel lamp. Ooh, let me turn it on. Ooh. Okay. I wish you would have said how long she left hers in there for, but I'm gonna just do like 60 seconds. Oopsie. So I'm gonna show you the hand, like me holding it version, which is this version right here. and then I will show the salon like version of this, because it does come out, it flips out. That's it. I'm not sure if it's supposed to go longer, but I'm just leave it on longer. So this was a free lamp so for your first purchase, they give you a code, and if you use that code, you can get a free gel light lamp, because otherwise it's like 18 bucks. So yeah, if you do become interested in checking out Vanity Tables, go remember to use the code. Okay, so I believe that is done. So as you can see, this is the standing version of the lamp, but as you can see, my thumb is by its lonesome, and that's not what we want. So I am going to do the handheld once again. Okay, so here are the final touches. I'm gonna do like a little photo shoot so you can actually see. These also do come with like a nail polish thingamajiggy, but I didn't want that because it wasn't necessary. I have some clear top coat stuff, so I purchased some new ones for probably like $5. I forgot how much it really was, but yeah. So yeah, here is the final touches. So now I'm gonna show you the other ones that I bought. So here is this one. This, I can't wait to put on. This looks like such a pretty color. Oh my gosh, my eye, something keeps getting in it. Yeah, it's a pretty color. Okay, here's another one. As I said, I love the color purple. Honestly, I think it's like this nail right here. Who cares though? Got this dark blue. I just think it'll really, like, against my skin tone, it'll like really pop, you know? And then we got this, you know. Ooh. This one is more of a matte, as you can tell. With this, you don't see that shine. You see how you see that little white speck on these nails? Yeah, and this one is more of a matte like color. I really got it because I love the colors, but also this little sparkly nail right here. I think it's going to like pop. You know, I feel like I'm at the Oscars or something. Then we have these. So actually, the blue ones that I got, they came in like a 3-pack. I didn't actually buy this one separately. But I'm not mad about it. I like the little sparkles. It's like, you know, midnight. What is this called? In Polaris. So yeah, I'm not upset about it. Another blue, as y'all can see. This looks bluish gray in the camera. I'll put an actual picture, but yeah. So I didn't actually buy this one either. I feel like it was this, and this that came in like the 3-pack. Because no offense, this one right here, I don't know. This is my last one, so it came in this box. I'm not sure why, but you know, they fancy. So I'm gonna open this one. I already opened it, and show you what this design looked like. Boom. So these nails are supposed to last for up to 17 days. So hopefully that is true, and if so, or if not, either way, if so or if not, I will keep you guys updated. Probably like in my next video, or like maybe in a YouTube short, I'll say like what's going on, if it's still sticking on, if it's interacting with water well, and still on with daily chores I'm doing. Yeah, I will leave a link in the description below, so check them out. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you're notified each time I post. And tell anybody you know to check out my channel, because it is definitely worth it. All right, I will see you guys next week. Bye.